Well, hello guys, what is happening? Welcome to the part 4. But before I start the video, if you haven't seen the previous ones, then I suggest you to go check these out. और अभी हम भंगद्वारा से 2-3 किलोमीटर्स आगे हैं. Well, there are two villages. First is धारकोट and वहीं से रास्ता जाता है हमारे विलेज का, where I am staying right now, and that is भंगद्वारा. तो प्रीवियस एपिसोड्स में हम धारकोट से राइट की तरफ गए थे और अब हम एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं लेफ़्ट साइड. दैट मीन्स जहाँ हमारा विलेज है उससे हम आगे आ चुके हैं और पहले की वीडियोस में हमने उससे पीछे का एक्सप्लोर करा था. So while I was going down this beautiful road, I saw different birds over here और मैं सोच रहा था कि let's just capture them. तो उन्हें मैंने कैप्चर किया. So these are the birds I saw there. You know, the reason why I came here is that यहाँ से जो हमारा विलेज है which is भंगद्वारा वो clearly सामने से दिखता है बिल्कुल. There are many villages here and while you are traveling through the road you can see them from the front. So I was wondering कि हमारा जो विलेज है वो फ्रंट से कैसा दिखता होगा, and right now I can see that. So that is the front of our village there. And this is also going to be my last night here because tomorrow I am leaving this village. Emotional a little bit. Nani is saying something. हम भंगद्वारे से आए हैं. हाँ, घूम रहे हैं. नानी के साथ. हाँ जी. ठीक है, फोटो फाटो ले लो. हाँ, फोटो फाटो ले ली. Since we are around Tiri Lake, it is visible from almost everywhere here. Again, Tiri Lake over there, which is amazing. Now we are moving towards our village. So let's go. इधर ही देख रही. This thing is looking at us. I'm not expecting a jump though. These things are everywhere here. What is this place? Seems like caves. Anyways, this road where we are walking right now, अभी यहाँ पर इतनी धूप हो रही है लेकिन evening में this is one of the most beautiful place to walk at because evening mein there would be sun setting there. So finally we are back to Dharkot village. Here it is. This is the Dharkot village and यहाँ से जो ये रास्ता है this will take us to Bhangdwara. So now we are going back to Bhangdwara. Finally home. So this is where we are living. Yeah. The sun is setting right there. Or it's going to be my last sunset from here as well. And with that I come to the end of not just this video but the entire series of this village. And being here it didn't felt like I am outside somewhere. Because of these people it felt like a familiar place, this village. I mean right now I am attached, and this entire experience of being around this village, being inside this village and exploring things around was really amazing, and I'm not gonna forget that. Now As I said, this is going to be the end, so I'd like to live with that. If you like this video, or if you've been watching me already, I mean watching this entire series of Bangdwara village, let me know if you liked it or not, and if you really did, then consider telling me in the comments below, because knowing that would lift me up, and you know, that also motivates me to make new videos, to go to different new places. And like this village, soon I will be exploring another one somewhere. I will be exploring another place somewhere. And if you are new and you did liked it too, then you might want to see my coming stuff as well. So for that you can subscribe, and to know where am I going next, for that you can follow me on my Instagram, because there I update all the details. Now thanks for watching. This was Harsh Gupta, and I will see you in the next one.